Alright guys, Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I'm going to hold off on doing the intros. I noticed on some of my latest videos that on the watch time that a lot of people stop watching because the intros are too long. So I'm going to try it like this for a while. If you guys enjoy that and I need to go back to it, I will. But definitely if you guys don't want to watch it, I'm not going to put it in there. So if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing, I will go back and do it. Or maybe just every once in a while, but you guys let me know. So guys, this is a transformation cut. This is my guy Cuts by Coast. He was in my last video a couple weeks ago. This is like Christmas week. We were super busy. End of the week, really late. We're up there, and he decided he wanted to cut his hair down. So he wants to go back to waves. We're going to cut his length down. And guys, this is, I'm not a wave specialist by any means, so we're kind of doing this the way he told me he wanted to do it. He wanted to try to lay it down, so he washed his hair, put a do-rag on, brushed it a little bit, and then we're going to cut it down with a 4 and give him a length to work with that he can start to brush and start to get some shape there. And then we'll come back later and do an actual wolf with a wave cut and taper that. So we will do that soon once he gets this kind of back in shape. But he was just ready to lose the length and have something manageable. So guys, we went in with a 4 closed, and we're cutting with the grain, starting at the crown and working our way out. And then we will come in with a 2 closed around the ear and around the edge up and kind of cut that hair down so we can do our taper into it. Guys, sorry, some of the clips are a little bit on the edge. I wasn't really in YouTube mode, but we were just kind of up there having fun, and I thought I'd throw my camera on and kind of film it. So there's some funny stuff in there. There's some bad angles, but really, like I said, we were just kind of chopping his hair off, and I just thought it was a transformation. I'd get a video of it, so it turned out pretty good. Let's get started on this side, guys. We're going in with a Slimline Pro, setting our bald guideline. Of course, same steps as always. We'll come in with our skeletons under that, and then the shaver under that before we go up. Alright, now we're going in with our Gold FX lever open, setting our open guideline. We'll come in underneath that with the clipper closed, and then take out the remaining, any darkness or any dark spots we'll take out with the lever half open. If you guys see up there on the top, I didn't touch on this earlier, he has a bad swirl cowlick right there in the front, so I didn't really gap him. His hair is just not used to laying down, so as he brushes, like I said, we're not going to leave it this long, but for now we cut it to a 4 so he can have a better length to maintain and start brushing and create some waves. So just wanted to touch on that. I didn't gap him right there, but so guys, we did our open 1, and then we closed it up and took the line out. Now we're taking a 2 up into that curl. And if you guys remember the last video, that hair was sticking up and disconnected, so the top was up and the sides were short. So really right here we have curl that's laying down and hanging over the edge. So if I work this too high, I'm actually gonna cut into some curl that we need for the wave. So as of right now, it's not connected, but we're gonna kind of just lightly try to blend it in and kind of leave it as is, like I said, so he can brush and get some shape back. So we'll go in here and line up behind the ear and move on to the other side. Alright guys, we're going to speed this side up, same steps as before, and I'll catch you on the back taper. Guys, we're going on the back. We're going to start with the 2 guard and blend into the curl. I am going to follow my steps here, guys, but I do a little bit of fading down and then a little bit of fading up. And I kind of jump around. I'm not exactly sure why I did that. I usually stick to my steps pretty good, but like I said, we were up there kind of late. We were talking, and a couple other people getting cut in the chairs around us, so we were talking and walking around. So I kind of jump around here, but about the same steps as normal, guys. Slim line at the bottom. We did a 2 to blend in the top, and then we'll work our 1 guard and our 1.5 in between that to fade these sections out. And guys, comment down below if you like this look on Markel better than the curls on top. So leave me a comment, let me know so I can let him know. We kind of ragged him in that video for not shaping up his fro, and then here we go, you know, a week and a half later, he decides to cut it all off. So let us know what you think. So I think I did a 2 open to begin with. So this is a 2 closed, and I'm starting to blend into that curl up top. And then I believe I go to my 1.5, and yeah, we're gonna fade down and try to fade down before we open our 1 guard and go in with that to take the remaining line out. Guys, it's almost 2020. I'm super stoked for the next year. Got some exciting stuff coming up. I'm gonna try to stay on this YouTube and bring you guys some heat. Guys, my color cards will be in stock in a few weeks. I appreciate all you guys that have ordered, and I've done my best to keep up with emails and questions. I have somebody working on getting them for me, so I have to go through him, and then he has to contact his guy. So best I know, they should be here in January. I know, hopefully middle of the month at the latest. We'll see. But as soon as I get them, I promise I'm shipping them out. I just ordered a shipping label printer and 1,000 envelopes, so I'll be getting on that as soon as I get them and get them straight to you guys. So again, I appreciate everybody that ordered. Leave me a comment if you got one. Let me know what you think of it. Guys, we're gonna go in here and do his front edge up. You can see some of the hair is swirling up into the curl, kind of around that cowlick area, and then some of that's coming and hanging over his forehead. So we're just gonna spray it with some spritz, hold it down, and then we'll go in here and line up all the way across. And guys, make sure you stay tuned. We will come back and do a cut with his waves after he has kind of rocked them for a few weeks and wolfed and brushed them in, wearing his do-rag and stuff, and we'll see what they turn out like. So make sure you guys come back and check that out. Hopefully here in a few weeks we'll have that video. And guys, we're not going to do any enhancement on this. Like I said, it was late. I just got a haircut. A couple other guys got a haircut. So just cleaning him up for the holidays. Thought I'd make a video. So about to finish the lineup here. I'm going to do a couple things, guys, that you can take notes on. Some of this hair is really thick, and as I try to hit it with my skeletons, they kind of move hair out of the way, so didn't clean it up like I like. So I actually grabbed my Gold FX clipper and close it and kind of just use them as an edger. You don't want to push real hard because they are big and heavy duty and kind of sharp. So I'm just going to go in and take some of this heavy part out with my Gold FX, and then I'll actually take my shears and tilt them across his front where the curl is so that we can make a consistent edge going across his front. So you'll see me do that at the very end. But hope you guys enjoyed this cut. Like I said, stay tuned. We'll see the wolf in progress here in a few weeks and see what kind of waves he's got. So. guys, here's the finished cut. Doing my best to get beamed impersonation here, guys. I hope you like it. Like I said, we were up here late having fun. Just trying to get my man together for the holidays, so he's definitely feeling it, as you can see right here, as the smoke clears, as the spray goes down, and he can see it. He's feeling himself with the shape that he likes. So he don't like too little of hair, but it was getting so long, and he was open to cutting it down. So he's feeling himself now at the end, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We'll have some more content coming soon. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.